So this is the last lesson for Module 1, which is the lesson 4, Overview of Automata Theory. Automata theory is a branch of computer science that studies abstract machines and the problems they can solve. Let's break it into simpler parts. So what's automata? It's an abstract machine. Ano nga ba ang automata? What is automata? This is an abstract machine. Abstract machine, computational process. And the capabilities and limitation. So in abstract, think of this as an imaginary device or models that can perform computations. They help us understand how computers and program works in every fundamental way. While the computational process, these are the steps of operations that a machine performs to solve problems or process information. While the capabilities and limitation, automata theory help us know what kinds of problems this machine can solve and what they cannot. This is important for understanding and boundaries of what computers can do. So for example, I have here the example. The vending machine. So in vending machine, you all know what vending machine is. So the vending machine, itong inputs mo. So mag-i-input ka. You can insert coins, select items, dispense items, and cancel. So meron kang output, display price, dispense items, return change, or display error. Display price, dispense items, return change, and display error. So dito, you have an input and output sa isang vending machine. So meron siyang state. Ang state 1 niya, which is the idle. Sabihin, naka-idle lang siya. Then, maghuhulog ka ng coin. So, yun yung, states niya. Like, yun yung sequence ng gagawin mo dun sa machine na yun. That's the example. So, pagka-idle niya, of course, mag-insert ka ng coin. So, meron ka ng coin. Napasok mo dun sa machine. Then, magsaselect ka ng item. That is this is state 1. Ito yung pagkasunod-sunod, Q2, Q3, Q4. Ano yung next step? Of course, magdi-dispense yung item na sinelect mo. So, that's the Q4. Then, the Q5 is pwedeng na siyang mag-return ng change. So, magre-return siya ng change. Or, pwede rin siyang mag-error in terms of kapag nagkaroon ng error yung machine, so mag-state siya ng error. So, ito yung sequence or pagkasunod-sunod ng isang vending machine. Meron siyang input, output, and this is the states, or the sequence. So, that's how the vending machine works. So, that's an example of automata. So we have also the example of palindrome. So this is the next topic, is the palindrome. Palindrome is a word or phrase, number, or other sequence of characters that reads the same forward and backward, ignoring space, punctuation, and capitalization. So ito, palindrome ang tawag dun sa word na kapag binasa mo ng pa-forward and pa-backward ay same pa rin. For example, ano ba ang example nito? Radar. Kapag ni-reverse mo ang radar, yan, is equal to radar pa rin. So, that is palindrome. Again, another. Level. Kapag ni-reverse mo ang level ay, level pa rin. So, that's probably a palindrome. Pero, kapag nilagay mo siya ng levels, hindi na siya palindrome. Kasi, hindi na siya same. Levels and is level. So, that's not a palindrome. For example, in numbers, another example ng palindrome, 1 to 1. Kapag binaliktad mo siya ay 1 to 1 pa rin. So, that's palindrome. So, ang palindrome, kailangan same sila kahit basahin mo sila ng forward and backward, ignoring the space, punctuation, and capitalization. For example, these are phrases. A man, a plan, a canal, Panama. Panama. So, that is the word. Nakikita nyo ba? Okay. I'm gonna write it na lang. A man, a plan, a canal, Panama. So, kapag binaliktad mo siya, is magiging kapag binaliktad mo siya is una is a man, this is the man, a man, a plan, this is the a plan, then a canal, this is the a canal, then Panama. So this is the Panama. So ayun ito yung unang phrase, then kapag pinaliktad mo siya or niread mo siya ng pa-background, ganun pa rin siya, a man, a plan, a canal, and Panama. So that's how palindrome works. So that's all for the module 1. So this is the example for lesson 4, overview of automata theory.